little guy? What you doing, little guy? Psh, 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 psh. I can't.
Oh my god, he's so stinking cute.
What did he do, leave? Oh no, he's over there. Psh, 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 psh. Hi. This little guy is a winter wren.
Oh my god, he's so cute.
Oh my goodness, hi. You are absolutely too cute. Yeah, so the winter wrens are back. He's bopping away. Psh, 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 psh. He's tiny too, Mama.
I know.
I wonder if he's a little baby one.
He's a dwarf wren.
He's just hanging out.
Look at he got so close to you.
Yeah. It's because I gotta away. I talk to the animals. Oh no, don't go.
I got so many cute pictures of him.
Oh my goodness. He's just hanging out with us. Oh, he went back over here. He went below the bridge.
Little wren.
Psh, 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 psh.
Little wren.
Come back. Psh, 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 psh. All right, I think he's done visiting.